just in case I have to put my Crocs in 4-wheel drive and run to a code. Hey peeps, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's your girl Chelsea, and as you can see by the title of this video, this is going to be basically a try-on haul FIGS Scrubs edition. So I know you see the box back here, you know, I haven't opened it yet, but I did receive this package yesterday. So just a little backstory, I already have a couple pairs of FIGS that I used to wear at the medical spa, but they were graphite color, which is like a gray kind of color. You've probably seen them in some previous videos of mine if you are returning back to my channel. If you are not returning back to my channel, basically I have some other scrubs. I used to wear them, like I said, at the medical spa, but I have to order some new ones because I recently transitioned back to the hospital. The ones that I had that were navy color, I wear them, but they're not like, they don't look nice. Like they're like basic Grey's Anatomy ones, but they're flare pants, and I'm trying to kind of switch back over to the joggers because I just love the fit of them and the style of FIGS scrubs and how comfortable they are. So basically, we'll get right into this video. I'm going to go ahead and open this box here, but I just wanted to give you a backstory because I had to order some new ones and some different sizing. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. Here is the box. I'm so excited. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. I don't think the last time I ordered them before, they've never shipped them in a box before. And I got two pairs of the same top and the same bottoms, but they've never shipped them in a box like this before. It makes me kind of feel a little special, you know. Isn't that special? Anyway, typically with my scrubs, I usually wear compression socks, of course, but I also wear my Crocs. So I just ordered a new pair of Crocs as well, but they're actually not for work. They're just more so for, like, you know, running errands where I don't feel like putting on like actual shoes. So voila. Oh, they're so pretty. So I've never ordered navy scrubs before from them. I've only ordered the gray kind. So we will see what this looks like. So this first top here, so this one is this is the tag here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. So this is the tag. I got a medium in these. This is the Katarina Scrub top. It is a one pocket top too. So I like the one pocket tops just because sometimes I do like to tuck my shirt into my scrubs if I'm feeling a little, you know, frisky. Not frisky, but like if I'm feeling a little trendy, then I'll tuck my, you know, scrub top into my pants. But this is a medium top. I did have a small before, but like I said, typically I don't wear a real bra when I go to work. I just wear a sports bra. And I found that when I wore a real bra sometimes with the small top, it was a little too tight, but also even around the circumference of the sleeves, it was a little bit too tight on my arms. So I found it just being kind of uncomfortable over time, and like, I don't know, it was just too tight. Like it fit me, but it was just too tight around the arm area. So I decided to do a medium this time. It looks pretty big, to be honest with you, but we'll see once I try it on what it looks like. But it's very stretchy. I do love that with the tops, it has a V-neck right there. All of the scrubs do have a little logo on them. So there is a plus logo on this one. And then there is another logo on the pocket. It is a left breast pocket, but there's just a little logo on there. So they're very, like, nice looking. Like, they're very, I like the color. I really hope it doesn't fade. The gray ones that I do have, they didn't fade for me, but I've never had the navy pair before, but we'll see how they hold up in the wash. And I'm gonna show you the pants, and then we'll try them on. So the pants that I got are a medium size in navy color. They are the Zamora Joggers. There we go. Just for size reference, I am 5'6" and about 160 pounds. Just so you know, like, you know, what size you might be. I do fit into the smalls pretty well, but like I said, it's just, I like my scrub pants to fit a little bit like bigger. Just in case I have to put my Crocs in 4-wheel drive and run to a code, I like my scrub pants to fit a little bit bigger instead of like super tight, because I feel so restricted if I'm trying to, like, you know, squat down and empty a Foley, or like, you know, squat down to do anything. So I like them to be a little bit stretchy, a little bit of room. I don't want my butt crack to be hanging out. So yeah, that's why I get a medium. Like I said, I do fit the smalls, but I like them to be a little bit looser. So this is what they look like. I like the waistband. It has a little FIGS logo on the back right there. It also has a little logo on the front. Sorry guys, my dog is like chewing my scrubs right now and he's about to go in his crate. I'm trying to keep him out if he behaves himself. Anywho, this is the back of it. It does have 2 back pockets back there. It has lots of pockets. So for me, I like to carry a lot of flushes on me, especially when I'm having to do a lot of like IVs in the ER. So I like to always have a flush on me for meds, for IVs, flushing a line, flushing, you know, a Metaport. Always carry flushes. So pockets are essential for me. So it has a 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and then it also has a 1 on the side. I think it's on the right side. Yeah, this would be on the right side. And like I said, these are joggers, so they cinch at the bottom as well. But what I do love about FIGS joggers that I didn't love about the other joggers that I had a brand called Med Couture, and when I washed them, I noticed that the drawstring came out like the first wash. So that was really irritating because now I don't have anything to keep my pants up. Now I can't wear the pants. Now that was a waste of money. And scrubs are expensive. So that's like $35 for a pair of pants that I no longer can wear because the drawstring came out. So with FIGS, you will not have that problem. I love their drawstrings because they're always like different cute colors. The navy ones in general come with the gray colored drawstring. So we're gonna go ahead and try these on and I will let you guys know how it fits. So I will be right back. This is the top. This is the Katarina Scrub top. 1 pocket, as I explained earlier. This is the medium, and it is kind of, it's not boxy, but it is a little bit bigger. But I do like it that way because, like I said, the small was a little too tight around the arms. This one gives me so much more room around the arm circumference, but it is a little bit bigger. And then these are the pants. So I like the fit. I've always liked the fit of the medium pants. You can kind of see I have a lot of room here. This is the back of them. Don't mind the tag. I'm going to take the tags off shortly, but this is what they look like. So I'm going to show you what it looks like tucked in. I usually put like pins in my pocket, my right pocket, my left pocket. I usually have my phone in. Always gotta have chapstick, of course. I put my chapstick usually in this pocket right here, along with my flushes as well. Here's some flushes here. I just slide these right in here. I could probably fit like 5 or 6 of them in here comfortably, and it's not too tight. Like bending my leg when I sit down or anything, it's not uncomfortable at all. Just apparently it tracks length pretty well. Low-key. There's a feature of my dog, of course, because he has to be in every single video. Front. I really like this drawstring. It's really cute to me. Like, I like the color of it with the navy. So I never put anything in the back pockets at all. My dog will get off my leg. Please get off my leg. Please get off. Thank you. Alright, you guys. Sorry about that. My dog was literally trying to steal my shine, and he still is. Like, he's been really clingy today. But anyway, so if you guys like this style, this top style, or this bottom style, I will definitely have it referenced and linked down below for you guys, as well as pricing and sizing. This video is definitely not sponsored. I bought FIGS with my own money. They are expensive. The good thing is that they do offer, I think it's a 20% discount for if you're like a healthcare provider, or even if you're in the military or a student. I think they do give you like I think it's either 15 or 20% off. You can get a little bit of a discount with FIGS. So definitely look into that, but they are a little pricey. But I really like these scrubs. I feel much better with joggers because with joggers, honestly, when you're working in the ER, really when you're working anywhere as far as like the hospital, there's a lot of nasty stuff on the floor. Like people pee on the floor all the time, men especially, because men are ornery. So you'll get people that pee on the floor, drop their urinal on the floor, people that poop on the floor, or you know, some blood falls on the floor, something like that. There's always some type of like feces or microorganisms that are always on the floor. Floors are disgusting, especially in the hospital. So I don't like my flare pants, the ones I have now, because they kind of drag on the floor a little bit, and I don't want to take that stuff back home with me. So yeah, I really like joggers because of that. Plus they are more form-fitting, but mainly it's because my parents are not dragging the floor and taking other microorganisms with me home. So if I can avoid that, I definitely will. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you have a good reference as far as FIGS. I know there's a lot of videos out there as far as like try-on hauls. you know, different body types. But again, my top size is a medium, my bottoms is a medium as well. There is something that I really do love about FIGS is that on their website, they actually have a lot of different sizing for people who are very small. So people who are like 4'11 or 4'10 and very petite, they do have like an extra small for those people, but they also have petite sizing as far as like joggers and pants. So I do like that about them. They do have a wide range of sizing, which it fits a lot of people over all different measurements and sizes. So I do love that about FIGS. And then on their website, they also have many different colors that they offer. So they have like burgundy, navy, graphite, which is gray. They have seal blue. I think they have hunter now. Yeah, so they have a lot of different colors too. So if you are a person who can wear any color in your hospital, I know that we can, but typically I just wear navy because I have a ton of navy scrubs. So if you work in a hospital that they can wear a bunch of different colors, then you have many different options to choose from. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one.